Hello friends, welcome back to Forever Pathfinder. My name is Krishna, and today in this video I am going to show you how to manage your application in your Android phone. So let's see.
Like any chore, managing apps can be a pain, but it's beneficial. To keep your apps organized and running smoothly, a modicum of management is necessary. On this device, in the Apps drawer, installed apps appear in alphabetical order in rows and columns, all on a single screen. Frequently opened apps also appear on the top row, and a search bar above that lets you locate apps, which is really handy when your Android has a ton of apps. Some Android devices may page the apps drawer left and right. You have the option to rearrange the apps and even organize them into folders, just as you can do on the home screen. If so, here's a tip. Place those apps you don't want but can't uninstall into a folder. For example, apps pre-installed by the phone's manufacturer or cell phone provider can be put into a folder on the apps drawer where they won't get in your way. This phone doesn't offer that feature, but if your phone does, take advantage of it. App management, when called for, takes place in the Settings app. There you can truly control the apps and review their settings. To do so, access the Settings app. Choose Apps and Notifications. On some devices, this item is titled Apps or perhaps App Manager. And if you don't see a list of apps right away, choose App Info. I'm going to choose the Dropbox app. This is the main control screen for the app, and it presents a lot of options. To uninstall the app, for example, you would tap the Uninstall button and then tap OK to confirm. For stock Android apps, such as Google Drive, the Uninstall button is labeled Disable. You cannot remove stock Android apps such as Drive, Maps, or Gmail, but you can disable them. Use the Force Stop button when the app is run amok. For example, it's stuck. This trick is not how you quit an app, but it's how you deal with an app that's become unresponsive. Permissions lets you review which device features the app can access. Permission cards will prompt you to allow or deny access when you first run the app. Here is where you can resend your decisions. Of course, resetting a permission here doesn't prevent you from seeing the prompt again, but if you don't want an app, for example, to use the camera, then ensure that this item here is off. Storage is about more than how much memory the app consumes. The Clear Data button resets the app's configuration. For example, with a game, choosing this button clears your high scores and other retained details. The Clear Cache button can often fix an app that doesn't work properly or is stuck. For example, say an app is always downloading an update. If so, tap the Clear Cache button. It's not magic, but it may make the problem go away.
So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video and you have learned a lot from this video. So if you really like this video, please go and subscribe my channel for my latest updates, and don't forget to like and share this video. See you next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.